Welcome to Zakira Begum's kitchen. Cooking in microwave. Learn how to roast aloo potatoes in microwave. Ingredients: aloo potatoes 3 or 4, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, a pinch of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, oil 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 1 bunch, mustard seeds and cumin seeds 1/4 tablespoon, garlic flakes 4 or 5. Preparation: peel skin of aloo and cut into small pieces. Wash and place in a microwave bowl. Add red chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt, pour 1 teaspoon of oil, curry leaves, mix all together, add garlic cloves, mustard seeds and cumin seeds, mix well, place bowl in oven, cover with lid, microwave for 4 minutes on 900 watts. Stir once, again microwave, uncovered for 5 minutes. Now aloo potato roast is ready. Serve hot. Thanks for watching.